Hello viewers, today I will solve one more question of an array, which is next permutation. So in this question you just have to return the array which is a next permutation of a given number. Okay, so in this question there is two approach. The first one approach, if you in a coding round, then you can use the direct STL, and if in a interview point of view, I will also suggest the second code. First, the first code is very simple. Next, you just direct apply the next permutation, which is in STL. So just have to put the vector in it, nums dot begin, comma nums dot end. Okay. After let's run this code, whether it is running properly or not. This is an STL function which is easy for your coding round. Yeah, this is submitting. I will give you another approach also. So first, in this question, you just have to find the index from where you can swap the element. So first create a int equals to -1. Okay, and after that int n equals to, which is a nums dot size, and traverse through the vector for int I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. You just have to find the element which is greater than the I plus 1 element. Okay, so if nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1, you just have to put the index. If it is a valid condition, then you just have to put the index equals to I and then break the loop. Okay, and after that, if you did not find any index, then you just have to return if I end equals to -1, then you just have to return the reverse of the linked list. Reverse of the vector. Reverse nums dot begin, comma nums dot end. You just have to return it. Okay, and after that you just have to break this loop. And for int I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. And if you find the index, so you just have to swap the value for int I equals to n minus 1, I greater than n, and I minus minus. You just have to check if nums of I is greater than nums of 0, nums of n, index, which is index. Then you just have to swap the nums of I, comma nums of index. After that you just have to break it, and this is reverse nums dot begin, comma nums dot end. Let's check it whether it is running properly or not. Okay, the break function. Okay, sorry, this is not a break, this is a return statement, because at this condition it is showing an error. Let's check it. Nums of I greater than, yeah, this is okay. You just have to nums plus reverse index plus 1. Let's run it. Maybe it will run properly. Again, this is showing an error. That what is the error? Nums dot is okay. There is an error in my loop that I forget. that I just have to start from the end. Okay, if n I minus 2 and I greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus, I have to start from the end. It was my mistake, sorry. Yeah, this is running properly. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is accepted. Thank you for watching.